Welcome, from me is Motorola Edge, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD into the device. Now before we begin, you will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. They come provided with the device in the box, so you can get it from there. And what you want to do is pop out the tray, which is located on the top of the device, right here. And just flip it over so you can see that's where it is. And from there, once you push it in, the tray will pop out. As you can see now, from here you can take it out, and you have space for the SD card and SIM card, placed like so. Now when you place them in there, make sure that they're laying flush on the tray, and then simply slide it back into the device. I'll give it a moment, and for me at least, I have a pin on the SIM card, so it should pop it up right. There we go. Now confirm it, and that's the SIM card working, and also a notification about the SD card being detected. So both of them are working just fine. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.